Okay, this is now. I found this little quaint spot. Walking to the park. It's very cute, nice, secluded. It's right across the street from the coffee shop. And it has to be the river that is running through. This must be the end of the river that I've been vlogging in the metro parks. But it's very nice setup. And then over there's a building. But it's very nice. Chong over here. Chong's over here. I think there's too much motorcycle activity for him. But we're gonna go to Cove Lake in a few minutes and see what we can get. I was hoping to get a bird or something. And it comes back here, the river too. I think it flows that way too. But at least I figured it must just flow all around. I don't know. Guess we'll find out.